Hi, my name is David Haynes, and this presentation is the overview of Ideate Dashboard for Autodesk BIM 360. Ideate Dashboard for Autodesk BIM 360 is a cloud-based service that provides just-in-time information about Revit warnings within the BIM 360 project environment. Companies are using BIM 360 as a platform where users work from home, firms with disparate offices, or consultants in different locations. If you have lots of BIM 360 projects and want to know about Revit warnings, which is a key aspect of model health, the current workflow is to open each of the projects in Revit to view those warnings. What you really want to know is where are your critical warnings, which file has the biggest problem, and then a quicker fix of the problem. Who's going to fix these problems? The Ideate Dashboard provides just-in-time information for Revit warnings for users and BIM managers in the Autodesk BIM 360 Project Information Management environment. What you get is relevant, curated data that is actionable. It is easier than opening each project in Revit and then using Ideate Explorer. You'll find one location to review warnings in the BIM 360 homepage, and you get quicker access to Revit warnings information for BIM 360 projects. You have less downtime. Why is this important to you? More and more projects are collaborative efforts, both internal and external teams. And BIM 360 is being used by firms as a repository for those multiple firm projects. Along with other customized partner cards, Ideate Dashboard can add a Revit Warning Partner card to add Revit warnings for your project. Your benefits are a quick glance to see where you stand. Speed is maintained through the use of a database, and uses the Ideate Warnings database, same technology as used in Ideate Explorer. And note, we can send via email to users to fix the warnings. Note in this KPI, we show the Revit version, last published date, and the size of the file. Now we can also look at an entire project, multiple files, get a stacked rank top 5 of the worst Revit warning file offenders. We can drill down from the bar chart to look at each of these files by simply clicking on the bar, and then you will see a KPI stoplight of that individual file. We can also look at all your firm's projects. We call this the aggregation of projects. The drill down process will still work across your firm's entire BIM 360 portfolio. To recap, Ideate Dashboard for Autodesk BIM 360 provides Revit warnings analysis within the BIM 360 environment. Ideate software has a roadmap for future visualizations. Please give us your input. To find out more about the Ideate Dashboard for Autodesk BIM 360, please visit our website URL. Thank you for watching this video.